Okay, so hari ni dah dapat our very own Young Living Essential Oils. Anas pun very excited about it. Dia ada 13 oils. Okay, oil yang pertama lavender here. Okay, Anas. Yang kedua is lemon. Alright. And then it comes with box as well. Jom Anas tengok dalam ni. Ada box. Anas. Ada box ni. Tengok dalam ni macam-macam. Oh, dalam ni. Boleh buka? Okay. Okay, thank you Anas. Okay. Alright. Okay, the box is hardcover. Oh, Anas. Ada macam-macam. So, dia ada 10. Ada 10 jenis oil kat sini. Kita tengok sini ada copaiba, lettuce, lavender, frankincense, lemon, pen away, purification, peppermint, and also sekejap Anas mama tengok thymes. Okay. Tapi ada 10 campur 2 ni. Mana lagi satu kan? Okay, one more is dekat sini. Tada! Tada! Tatai. Okay, dia ada satu lagi extra EO, which is stress away. Okay. Okay. Tapi stress EO ni cuba tengok berapa ml. Macam besar. Okay, 5 ml sama 5 ml. Okay, dia didatangkan juga dengan 10 extra bottles for samples. And what is this? All the samplings here. Oh, ada juga this is the samples lah. Ada 10 samples in here. Ada 5 different types and 2 each. And also Ningxia rate. Ningxia rate ni is very good for dalam pantang. It gives you energy and heals your inner health lah. Okay. Nah Anas. Yay! Anas suka. Ni. Yang ni card. Dalam ni dia macam USB juga, so you can know more lah about Young Living and the essential oils. Then I'm not sure what is this. This is macam cards lah. Cards for more information about it. Okay. Alright, and last but not least, we have here, Anas, we have here what? Apa yang kita ada kat sini sekarang? Ni, kita ada, apa ni? Diffuser. Okay, diffuser ni untuk diffusekan oil. Malam-malam kalau kita nak bagi tenang, nak bagi best, ni diffuser. It comes with Young Living diffuser. It's been called Dewdrop diffuser. Okay, Anas tolong mama pegang. Thank you Anas. Anas senyum. And also comes with boleh lah buka. So basically maybe we put oil here. I need to read more about this. Quite new. And then ada charger juga. Charger. It comes with the charger. Then that's it. And also we have product guide here. Dalam product guide ni dia beritahu macam-macam pasal the punya products. More specifically about it lah. Macam for each and every, like the kitsen bahagia pun ada. Ada thighs, cleaner, and then more about the essential oils lah. Okay. Dia ada singles and also blend. Blend ni dia blend all the singles together. Few singles, they blend it together. Okay. Alright, that's all for me. Okay, thank you. Hope you benefit a lot from this video. InsyaAllah we'll do more. Thanks. Bye.